You didn't choose to stay up till 3 a.m. Your ancestors did. They were running from imaginary saber-toothed tigers. You're just running from your own thoughts. And honestly, it's kind of poetic. But why does your brain suddenly turn into a chaotic reality TV show the moment the house goes quiet? Let's break it down with zero jargon. Your circadian rhythm is basically your internal bouncer. It tells you when to party and when to crash. But at 3 a.m., the bouncer clocks out. Suddenly, your brain is wide awake, scrolling through memories you desperately wanted to delete. Enter cortisol, the stress hormone. Usually, it's supposed to drop at night. But at 3 a.m., it spikes like a bad date who won't leave. Your brain thinks a predator is in the bushes. Spoiler alert, it's just your unopened email from 1900. Why does this happen? Evolution. Back when humans actually hunted mammoths, waking up at night kept you alive. So your brain built a late-night overthinking mode. It's not a glitch. It's a survival feature. Unfortunately, it's currently running on your anxiety about texting someone back. So your brain is literally trying to save your life. It's scanning for threats. And what's the biggest threat right now? Your own unresolved feelings. It's like your mind is a detective who only solves cold cases about your third-grade crush. And here's the twist. This betrayal is actually kind of romantic. You're alone with your unfiltered self. No distractions, no noise. Just you and your beautifully chaotic inner monologue. It's the only time you get to hear yourself think, even if that thinking sounds like a panicked seagull. Think of 3 a.m. as your brain's secret diary. It's where you process the day's trauma. It's where you plan your entire life around a single weird interaction at 6 a.m. It's messy. It's loud, but it's also deeply human. We're all just trying to figure it out. So stop fighting it. Lean into the chaos. Make a playlist of songs that make you cry. Write down the thoughts that keep you up. Your brain isn't betraying you, it's just really bad at taking hints. Give it a hobby like breathing or sleeping. The next time you wake up at 3 a.m., don't panic. Just whisper to your brain, "Hey, the tigers are gone. We're safe. It's okay to rest." And if that doesn't work, just remember, tomorrow is a whole new day, and it will definitely be awkward. If your brain runs a late-night support group, hit subscribe. We're all in this together. Now go drink some water, wrap yourself in a blanket, and let your bouncer come back on duty at 6 a.m. Sweet dreams, weirdos.